Hi Jack, this is Christian with RenGen SEO and Digital Marketing. We're a family-owned digital marketing company, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use on your own to increase your online presence. So, contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your site are exclusive to you, so you're not playing the game of whoever paid the most money to Zillow this month is the best leads, or competing with multiple agents for the same leads. They're your leads because it's your site. And so I have your Facebook page pulled up here based on the information that I have. So obviously you understand the importance of being online. The real question is how many leads are you actually getting from this online Facebook page and or your website. So a couple things we're going to point out. First of all, you have one good. Now, I have Trojanowski.com as the website that you wanted us to audit, so we can use that for this. This looks like a Home Smart website. Potentially, this is a site that you don't pay for. But either way, a couple things we're going to talk about is content and photos. And so Google loves content. Content is king in the eyes of search engines, and so the more you have, the better. Now, as you can see, this is the main page of your website, and we first of all don't have a fill form for a customer to put in their name and their phone number and what they're looking for, and then have it directly sent to your phone. This is kind of just like, hey, there's a rental application, but this is just like every other website that they've seen. And so I'm actually going to go to this site for our audit, which looks like nwsuburbanrealestate.com. Potentially, if this is working, which it looks like this site is not working. So we're not going to use this one. Let me see here. Okay, so this one didn't work. We're not going to use it. We're going to use JackTrojanowski's.com site here. And so, as you can see, a couple things. 1,500 words minimum is what we recommend on any page you're trying to rank. And so you can see that we have less than maybe 100 words total on this main page here. And so let's see, even if we go to your About section, which you would think would have a few more, again, just a photo and, not much information. So keep in mind that when you have your site built, which I don't know why this one's not working, you want to have 1,500 words minimum on any page. Also, these photos, how you save your photos matters, especially in real estate sites with the IDX feed and with all your listing photos. A lot of times when we upload photos to the computer will create a file name for that photo that we don't specify. Typically, it consists of random letters and numbers, or pick 1, pick 2, pick 3, okay? That's no good. You want to make sure that you're saving all of your photos the right way. So do your homework. There actually is a right way. And so do your homework and make sure that you're saving all your photos the right way. Next is citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number can be found in various directories. Those directories would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All these directories are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank on this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Bartlett, Illinois Realtors. We got Magnum Realty, Dave and Candy Goddard, and we got Stoll Real Estate. Okay, so you're not here. Obviously, this is where you want to be. And then again, if you're not in the top 3, you would be nice to have your website be in this main page down here. This is where everybody's goal is to get. Now, if you go into the first page, I looked and I actually couldn't find your Google My Business page in here either. So, and I think I went 2 or 3 pages down and still couldn't find it. So, definitely some work to do if you're trying to make money in the Bartlett area. Now, I do have your Google My Business page pulled up here, and there's a couple things I want to point out. So, first, we recommend minimum 25 reviews. So, you have 6, you do have a 5.0, that is good. We recommend 25 minimum. So, just keep that in mind. Keep pushing those reviews. Obviously, everybody knows the importance of those, but we do recommend, however, to our clients 25 reviews. And then photos. So we actually recommend 10 minimum. Looks like you do have 10 photos. Now, the real question is, are they saved the right way? Okay, so I went through a couple of them, and they are not. So do your homework and make sure that every photo that you upload on your online business, whether it be your GMB, your Facebook page, your website, you want to make sure your photos are saved the right way. Keep that in mind. Other than that, looks like you're doing pretty good with the 5.0, and you do have the photos, so just make sure they're saved the right way and keep pushing for that number 25 reviews. The last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. And so what a backlink is anywhere that your domain can be found online. And so you actually have 10 backlinks from 8 referring domains, but yet your domain rating is a 1.2 out of 100. So what that leads me to believe is that you're not bringing in any business from your site, if at all, any. And so the thing to keep in mind is that backlinks are ever so important. Backlinks bring power to your site, okay? And so the thing to keep in mind is that you don't just want any backlink. You want your backlinks to come from reputable sites that aren't spammy. So do your homework and get yourself some good, powerful backlinks. One benefit to only having 10 is that you don't have a bunch to go through. Some people have 800 backlinks that are all spammy that need to be removed, and you don't have that. You only have 10. So every one you get is going to help you as long as, like I said, they're coming from sites that are relevant and not spammy. Other than that, Jack, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business, into your site, into your life to bring you some more money and revenue and leads. And so if you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us. Other than that, thank you very much for watching.